High preparatory stage. Today it will be practicing on conversation and reading skills. But before I will go to our video today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today it will be the practicing on conversation, and I have a text reading to improve your language skills. Let's read this conversation and know more about it. Here the conversation is between grandpa wants to sell online and his grandson. Let's read the conversation and know more about this conversation. The conversation between Save and grandpa. Grandpa, why don't you sell some of this old furniture online? That way you can get some money for it. Grandpa, I don't know. Is it safe? So here grandpa ask about if selling things online or online is safe or not. Let's know from safe. Safe. It's safe as long as you follow a few rules. Grandpa, can you tell me that what they are? Safe. I can. Yes, first use a well-done website to buy or sell something. A really good one. Okay, what do you want to sell? Grandpa, how about, so here is a suggestion. When we will make a suggestion, how about this table? Safe. Great. Can you give me your phone? So I want to take a photo, so I can take a photo of it. Thanks. Okay. The next thing to remember is always be honest. Make sure all information you give about something you are selling is true. Grandpa, this is a large table from 1970. It's good condition. Save. Okay. Now another very important rule is don't share personal information. I think all the banks make this wall, and they always telling us don't share your information, your name, your address, your bank details with each other. It's not correct, okay? Because it's not safe to share personal information, your names, your bank details with anyone, because it's dangerous and can make your details sale by anyone. Don't share personal information like your name, date of birth, address, or bank account details. Grandpa, go it. What happens next? Save. Someone will send you a message if they want to buy the table. Grandpa, and when will I meet the person to give it to them? It's better to send it to them. In fact, that is another important rule. If you have to meet someone, meet them in a public place. Means not in the private place or like offices. Like public place means parks, means in the club, in any place is public, not in private places. And don't go alone. Grandpa, thanks, safe. We never did this when I was your age. Let's go to another conversation. In this part, I'm training you to make a conversation, to know the question that when we make a conversation, we make it how to make a conversation and to answer in the conversation in correct way, because this conversation or dialogue is an important question in your exam. So we must know how to answer, how to ask a question. So in the exam, as we told you, when we have the dialogue, we can read the dialogue, then answer the suitable, and then put the suitable answer that related to the answering to the replying of some of the another person that make a conversation with you. Here is the dialogue between Salma and Sahar. Hi Salma. Sorry. Hi Sahar. Sahar. Hi Salma. What are you thinking? What are you drinking? So here Sahar asking Salma about something she's drinking. Homemade lemonade. Okay, my friend Shrew and her brother are selling it from their store at the bazaar. Sahar, that is good idea, isn't it? This called what? This called question tag. I think we talked about question tag before, and I have the videos about question tag. You can revise what I told in the videos. Okay, Salma. Yes, I agree. The weather is so hot. Sahar, I would love a glass of cool lemonade right now. Salma, why don't you buy some? Sahar, I don't think so. Our break is almost over. Salma, okay, what is that you are making? It's jewelry. Look, I put these beads in onto some string, and there you can go to a bracelet. Salma, that's cool. You could sell them at the next school bazaar. Sahar, but they take a long time to make. Salma, that's true. Why don't we sell some of our old toys? Sahar, I'm not sure about that. It would be nice to make something. I know how about cupcakes. Everyone loves cupcakes. Salma, great. Let's find the integrants, means the components of making cupcakes. This is the means of integrates. Okay. I have a reading text. I will read you to improve your reading, because as we told you before that English depends on reading, on making conversation. All these are skills that we improve our language. Not making rules is important for in English, but practicing and reading and making conversation is important to improve our language. Today, our text is about friends online. So all the video now is all about online, selling and buying online and making friends online. Let's read this text together. Salma, a 15-year-old girl from Egypt, loved photography. She often share her photos on a website. I think it's not good to share your photos on websites. Not good, okay? Because we have others can take these photos and make something wrong with you, okay? Can't do this. On a website for young photographers. One day, she got a comment from Ashley, a girl of her age from Australia, who liked the photos. They started chatting. I think all of us know chatting, and you are making chatting all the day on the phones, on your mobile phones, on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on Facebook, and so on. Started chatting and found out they had a lot of common. They both loved taking pictures of nature. Soon they were talking every day and decided to do a 30-day photography challenge together. Each day they had to take a photo on a specific theme and share it. They enjoyed the challenge and became closer friends. However, one day Ashley suddenly stopped answering Salma's messages. Salma felt worried. She sent several messages, but there was no reply. Salma felt sad that the friendship might be over. Salma couldn't focus on her schoolwork or her photography. After talking with her mother, Salma decided to send a message letting Ashley know that she was there for her. She wrote, "Hi Ashley, I hope you are okay. If you need someone to talk to, I'm here for you." A few more days passed, and finally, Ashley replied. She explained that she had been dealing with some difficult family news and needed some time offline. Salma was happy to hear from Ashley again. They talked about what had happened and made plans to continue their challenge. Salma and Ashley now had a better understanding of the importance of communication and being there for each other. They knew that their friendship thought online was real and meaningful. Okay? By this text, we end from our video. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.